Hey, my awesome friends. I hope you've all been healthy, everything's been going your way, and you've been having a great time. Welcome. Thanks for joining me for another video, guys. Please like, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Turn it on so whenever I drop a new video, you get it right away. So you get the notification, check it out, and enjoy. It's all yours. Let's get into another video. Guys, in previous videos, I explained what Cronus is and how you can download its programs. Now, for us to get the app version of Cronus on our device, on this device I mean, to update it, we need to open the 10 Studio app. Once we've opened the 10 Studio app, or actually Zen Studio, we need to do something. We need a Type-C port, which I showed you guys in the first part. We have to bring the Type-C port and connect it to the top of this Cronus. So look, this is the main screen of Cronus itself. We need to connect it to the top here. As you can see, the Cronus logo appears in Cronus. Now that we've connected it to the device, we can easily access that mode or that application that's on the Cronus itself. We can update it, just confirm this. We go to the Tools section, then to this part, Firmware Update, and we click OK. Here, guys, when this window pops up, just like I said in the first video, there's a button on the back of the Cronus. We need to hold it for 3 seconds. We've got it. Just like you can see, guys, it says 10 bootload right on the Cronus itself, and my device is showing it here too. It shows that your Cronus device is connected, this is its serial number, and the firmware version is 2.2.10. We click on it to check what the latest update is. I had already updated it to the latest version. We hit continue, then tap update to start the process. And we wait for the update to finish. Alright guys, the update is done, so we can close the window now. As you can see, the Cronus logo has appeared here again. This means our Cronus has been updated to the latest version of the software it runs. So pay attention. This USB-C port up here is only for connecting your Cronus and updating its firmware using the Zen Studio software. Alright, so now we're actually done with the Cronus music. You can disconnect this cable, and there's nothing else you need to do with it. And that's how you update the Cronus firmware. Now guys, if we want to register ourselves on the Cronus Discord server, we need to use this same USB-C port that we have and connect it to this side of the device. I mean the right side of the Cronus, which is also a USB-C port. When we connect it, you'll see that the Cronus logo appears here, and as you can see, on the desktop, you can clearly see the Cronus logo, and my account is there, and it's clearly showing you the scripts that. It says, for example, for the date 13 Mordad 1402, this was just written, and here you can. Just like in the Cronus Pro program I told you about, you can find the scripts here. You can search here for whatever scripts you have in mind, like Warzone, Fortnite, Apex, and other scripts. Here, guys, you can see it says test serial number. There's a serial number here. It's for our device, so here you can very easily double-click it and press Ctrl+C to copy it, and then on the same website that we had opened, the place where I told you to register in the Discord section when you click it. Alright, it opens Discord for us. Guys, I'm clicking accept, just like you can see. Alright, we've come here, in the so-called Cronus channel. But right here, it doesn't really show me much. Here, I also need to register Cronus, so I click accept up here. I scroll all the way down and activate the checkbox at the bottom. I accept it, and as you can see, this was its first registration. Now, to register the device itself, that is, to register this device, we need to do the following. We have to go to the Welcome menu. right at the very top. As you can see, it gives all the instructions here about what we need to do. I go to the Send Register section. Here, it shows an icon, so to speak, indicating that we need to click on the blue option, the same register button. Here, guys, that's where you enter the code. It wants the code that I showed you in SynStudio. Here, I just press Ctrl+V, the device's serial number appears, and I accept it. Look, guys, I'll wait until it accepts, and now we're in the Cronus Discord channel. We've entered here, so pay attention. Look, all its items have opened up for me. Now, guys, let me give you an essential explanation about Discord. Look, this welcome section has all the information you might need. Make sure to read it carefully. This one explains everything in general, and this one is for registering. So here, guys, whenever you have a question or, let's say, you want to write something, you can type it here in the general chat section. And as you can see, there are chat rooms here. They're for German, French, Italian, Spanish, Polish, and so on. And Turkish is further down, guys. There's a section here called the Zen Support Center. When you click on this section, you'll see that a lot of people have asked questions here, but you need to write your question clearly so that everyone can answer you. Here, when you click to ask the question, you write down a reason, then scroll down a bit, and so to speak, here you write the reason, then scroll down. You give an explanation about what it is, and also mention the device you're using it with, like Cronus, or maybe Xbox, PlayStation, or whatever, PC, controller, or maybe mouse and keyboard. You just tag it like I'm clicking on these icons here, and you definitely need to write down which one it is, which update you've installed on your Cronus, what version it is, which version of T2 you're using, and the brand and model. You need to write down your mouse and keyboard, and for which game. And you should also include a screenshot of the exact error you're getting in Cronus. Definitely upload it so it'll be easier for them to help you. So the guys or the admins there can clearly explain things to you and give you a solution. As you scroll down, pay attention. Like here, the guys have written Apex, Insurance 2. Now, I'll also explain the difference between Insurance 1 and Insurance 2 for you. Like Call of Duty Black Ops 6, like Warzone 4, like Finals, like Fallout Runt, and all these. You can see here, these are games that people have come and explained about. And like Mortal Kombat, like Rust, Rainbow Six, and so on. Just like a lot of other games out there, Division and many more, there are really detailed explanations here. Now, some of them might be in English or German. Some you'll easily understand, some maybe not so much. But you can easily get help with them. Like I said, if you have any questions, you can ask in English in the support chat section here, and they'll get back to you right away. The guys who are there will answer and guide you. They'll help you out. So that was how to activate your device on Discord's support channel, where you can easily see it's activated, and it's available in several major world languages too, so you can easily ask your questions. Thanks a lot, guys, for sticking with me until the end of the video. Definitely make sure to follow both the Discord and Telegram channels, because I post a lot of programs and explanations there so it's easy for you to access. I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell too. Turn on notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified and can watch and enjoy it. First, go make some money. Second, stay healthy. And third, you're my love. Until the next video, goodbye.